Hello neighbors, I'm Rob Mayer and I need your help. The Delran PTO is holding a holiday craft fair on December 3rd at the Delran Middle School, and I need to get rid of some of my plants. I've got a lot of projects that I'm going to do coming up here in my greenhouse, and I have a ton of stuff that I want to get rid of. So if you'd like to help support my gardening habit, come on down December 3rd, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. There's going to be over 50 vendors from the area selling holiday crafts. And like I said, I'm going to have plenty of plants there to sell. Got some hanging plants, all sorts of stuff, little succulents. I got some beautiful little baby basil plants. So if you're interested in gardening or house plants or whatever, if you want to come down and pick up a plant, that'd be awesome. Definitely help me out, and it would also help support the Delran PTO. And I believe there's going to be a silent auction also taking place, so I'm going to pick out a nice plant to put in there and offer it up. It's all for a good cause. If you see anything you'd like, or you just want to come and check out what we've got, be much appreciated. If you just want to come and geek out about plants, that's cool too. Hope to see you there.